In a large mixing bowl, I am adding 1.5 cups of besan or gram flour. Along with that, I am also adding 1.5 cups of suji or semolina. Mix these well, and then I am adding 1/3 cup of ghee, that is around 6 tablespoons. Keep adding the ghee. This will help in giving nice moisture to the laddus. So mix and rub it with the help of your hands. The entire ghee is used up. You can see it's quite moist and it's getting that binding texture. At this stage, I'm going to add in a pinch of haldi or turmeric powder just for that good presentable color, but it's perfectly optional. Then I'm adding water little by little and make a semi-soft dough out of this. So this dough is ready. Keep it aside just for 5 minutes. So now the dough has become slightly hard. Now take small portions of this dough and make any shape of your choice. I am making into flat shapes like this so that it cooks faster from inside as well. All are ready. Keep oil for frying over medium flame. Add these flat tikkis in batches and fry these for about 4 to 5 minutes over medium flame only. Do not cook on high flame, else they won't cook from inside and will become very dark from outside. So keep cooking them. Another way of making this is to roll the dough into this thin sheets just like roti. Here I've placed tawa on medium flame. Place it over it and cook just like normally you make rotis. Flip it over and apply some ghee in between. It's done enough, remove it out. Let's check the tikkis. The tikkis have also fried enough. Remove them out and let them all cool down. Next up, in a pan, I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of ghee and add some dry fruits. Let them fry for about a minute and then lower the gas, or you can off the flame also and add some raisins. It's done enough, keep it aside. Next up, in a saucepan, we are going to make sugar syrup, for which I'm adding 1.5 cups of sugar along with 3/4 cups of water to make a simple sugar syrup. Add some elaichi or cardamom powder for flavoring. The sugar is completely dissolved. The syrup is ready. Switch off the flame and keep it aside. Now we are going to add all the tikkis into a blender and make a coarse mixture. You can see this coarse mixture is ready. I'm going to transfer this onto a plate. Do this for the other batch as well. And then I'm adding just a pinch of food color, that's also perfectly optional. Then goes in the fried dry fruits. And then I'm adding the prepared sugar syrup. Mix and leave it aside just for about 15 to 20 minutes to dry. So now it's dried enough but still having some moisture in it. At this stage, I'm going to start making laddus. So take small portions in your hands and start making laddus, big or small, however you like. So keep rolling them and making laddus. All are beautifully done. Plate it up. I'll break one and show you. It's soft with perfect texture. You can store this in the fridge for 2 weeks and at the room temperature for almost a week. So guys, I hope you enjoyed today's recipe of Ganpati festival. Do give it a try and let me know how it turns out for you. I'll see you soon in the next coming video. Until next time, bye bye.